Original technologies spawned from never-ending innovation and evolution, merge with PENTAX experience and expertise. A full-frame SLR from the PENTAX K series. Debut of the new PENTAX K1. The K1 is equipped with a 35mm full-frame CMOS image sensor and primed for a new image engine. The large imaging area delivers rich gradation with lively, true-to-life images, realizing the highest image quality in the history of the K-mount SLR series. The K1 also provides a top sensitivity of ISO 204,800. It simultaneously achieves the highest level of resolving power and sensitivity. The K1 is equipped with a pixel shift resolution system that realizes reproduction of super high-resolution images that supersede the actual number of pixels. It has the world's first embodied 5-axis, 5-shutter step shake reduction mechanism. It provides optimum compensation for all lenses used in handheld shooting. With a dependable dust-proof, weather-resistant construction, -10 degrees Celsius cold-resistant construction, and other features, the K1 offers high reliability under harsh environmental conditions. A revolutionary, new, flexible tilt-type LCD monitor was developed, allowing the monitor to be tilted vertically and horizontally to any desired angle. An operation assist light has been installed for more efficient, comfortable shooting at night. The image sensor unit synchronizes itself with the movement of celestial bodies. The Astral Tracer enables the capturing of celestial bodies as point images. The Smart function is based on the brand new idea of harmonizing an array of features with ease of operation. The original technologies of PENTAX have honed the K-mount SLR series and changed the concept of full-frame SLRs. PENTAX K1. True to its #1 naming, the PENTAX K1 signifies the arrival of a new era in